Okay, so as you see, I have removed the whole unit. All it took is 2 screws on the bottom, right here. These are the only screws that hold that whole unit. And right now I have it in my hand. Here it is. I also removed the trim around it already. So as you can see, the trim is removed. It has 3 screws on the top. Let me show maybe this way. Yes, there are 3 screws on the top of it, and then the clips around it. So, and now I'm gonna remove the AC unit, which has also 4 screws in the back of it, and then it holds on the clips. So just bear with me, it's difficult to do it with one hand. Okay, so there are the clips. Okay, released all of them and push it out, and it's here. It is. The AC is out. So now I'm going to remove the radio, which also holds on the 4 clips here. So okay, 2 I've already released, and there are additional 2 on the other side. Here it is. It's fairly easy job to replace these units. If yours is broken, the CD changers break a lot, so okay, so after I remove this, I will be ready to install custom unit with navigation, Bluetooth and DVD, so, and a rear view camera. So we'll be in the next video. Thank you.